Every living creature in nature has its own voice. These voices are their way of speaking, calling, and expressing feelings. Through sound, they share warnings, show love, and stay connected with one another. Some voices echo through the forest, while others are gentle and calm. Together, they create the beautiful music of the natural world, filling the air with life and harmony. In the quiet of the morning, their voices awaken the forest. As the sun rises, the sounds blend into a chorus of life and joy. When night falls, soft calls and whispers fill the darkness, reminding us that nature never sleeps. Thanks for watching Real Wildlife TV. Like and subscribe my channel.